Representative Jerry Nadler as the winner of the primary and the likely winner in the fall. So as students return to school, experts are urging parents to get those routine vaccinations for their kids amid an overall vaccine decline across the U.S. We're hearing from experts about why they say childhood vaccinations are crucial. Jennifer Bellamy has the story.
The pandemic has affected all aspects of life, including schools and childhood vaccination rates.
If you think back over time, there were diseases like measles, mumps, chickenpox, whooping cough were fairly common. And we no longer see these diseases that often, and that's because of our immunization program.
In CDC data released in April, researchers compared state and local immunization programs across the U.S. In the 2020-2021 school year, they found vaccination coverage decrease by about 1% for all vaccines when compared to the school year before.
That's the first time we've seen a dip like this in a long time.
There you go. Dr. Julie Morita, a pediatrician and member of the CDC Advisory Committee to the director, says in order to keep vaccine-preventable diseases at bay, we have to keep the level of routine vaccinations high. She says part of the decrease came from doctors' offices not being open during the height of the pandemic.
But on top of that, there was a bit of spillover because parents had questions and concerns about the COVID vaccines. They seemed relatively new. There were questions about safety and the effectiveness of the vaccines. And there may have been a bit of spillover into the other routinely recommended childhood vaccines. While we have strong evidence that COVID vaccines are safe and effective, there's even more evidence and even longer duration